Have you ever wondered what you could do to keep your memory sharp as you age? Well, today we're diving into some incredible tips that could help reverse dementia and boost your brain memory. Dementia is on the rise. In fact, it's estimated that the prevalence of dementia is expected to double every 20 years. This isn't just a statistic, it's a reality that impacts families and communities. Think about it. Memory loss can take away precious moments, create emotional turmoil, and lead to a lot of uncertainty. Families often have to navigate the challenges of caregiving, which can be incredibly stressful and emotionally draining. The societal impact is profound too, straining healthcare systems and resources. So, understanding how to combat these issues is crucial, not only for those directly affected but for everyone who cares about brain health. The 7 tips that can help reverse dementia and boost brain memory. Number 1. Brain games. Engaging in brain games, such as puzzles, crosswords, and memory challenges, is more than just an enjoyable pastime. It is a powerful tool in the fight against dementia and the decline in cognitive function that often accompanies aging. These activities are rooted in the concept of neuroplasticity, the brain's remarkable ability to reorganize itself by forming new neural connections throughout life. Neuroplasticity is the foundation upon which brain games exert their influence, enabling the brain to maintain and even improve its functions despite the ravages of time and disease. When you engage in brain games, you are effectively giving your brain a workout. Just as physical exercise strengthens muscles and improves cardiovascular health, mental exercises challenge the brain to perform at its best. These activities stimulate different regions of the brain, encouraging the formation of new synaptic connections and reinforcing existing ones. This process is particularly crucial in combating the effects of dementia, which is characterized by the gradual loss of these connections, leading to memory impairment and cognitive decline. Moreover, puzzles and crosswords challenge the brain to solve problems, recognize patterns, and recall words and concepts. These activities not only improve specific cognitive skills like vocabulary and problem solving but also contribute to overall mental resilience. Mental resilience is the brain's capacity to adapt to challenges and recover from setbacks, a quality that becomes increasingly important as we age. By regularly exercising the brain through these games, individuals can build a cognitive reserve, a buffer of neural connections that can compensate for the loss of brain function due to dementia. Number 2. Vision care. Vision care plays a crucial role in preserving cognitive health, particularly in reducing the risk of dementia and improving memory. Research has shown a strong link between vision loss and cognitive decline. Poor vision can lead to social isolation, reduced physical activity, and a decline in mental stimulation, all of which are risk factors for dementia. Good vision is essential for reading, engaging in hobbies, and socializing, which are all important for keeping the brain active. When people can see clearly, they are more likely to participate in mentally stimulating activities that strengthen neural connections, which can help slow cognitive decline. Vision problems increase cognitive load, making the brain work harder to process visual information. This extra effort can drain cognitive resources that could otherwise be used for memory and other cognitive functions. By correcting vision issues, the brain can operate more efficiently, which may help preserve memory and other cognitive abilities. Poor vision increases the risk of falls and injuries, which can lead to hospitalization and prolonged periods of inactivity. These incidents can accelerate cognitive decline, as physical health is closely linked to brain health. Regular eye checkups and vision correction can help prevent falls, thus preserving overall health and cognitive function. Regular eye exams can also provide early indications of cognitive decline. Certain eye conditions, like changes in the retina, can signal early stages of dementia. Early detection allows for timely intervention, which can help slow the progression of cognitive decline and preserve memory. Number 3. Quality sleep. During sleep, the brain consolidates memories, transferring information from short-term to long-term storage. Quality sleep, particularly deep sleep, enhances this process, making it easier to recall information and improving overall cognitive function. Poor sleep disrupts this process, leading to memory lapses and cognitive decline over time. Sleep allows the brain to clear out harmful toxins and waste products, such as beta-amyloid plaques, which are associated with Alzheimer's disease. Quality sleep ensures that this cleaning process is efficient, reducing the risk of dementia. Chronic sleep deprivation, on the other hand, can lead to an accumulation of these toxins, increasing the likelihood of cognitive decline. Quality sleep helps regulate the body's inflammatory response. Chronic inflammation is a known risk factor for dementia. By ensuring adequate sleep, you can help keep inflammation levels in check, protecting your brain from damage and reducing the risk of dementia. Sleep is crucial for emotional regulation. Poor sleep can lead to mood disorders such as anxiety and depression, which are linked to an increased risk of dementia. By getting enough quality sleep, you can maintain emotional stability, which is important for cognitive health and memory preservation. Good sleep is associated with better cognitive function, including attention, problem-solving, and decision-making. These cognitive abilities are crucial for daily functioning and are often impaired in people with dementia. By prioritizing quality sleep, you can help maintain these cognitive skills and reduce the risk of dementia. Number 4. Hearing health. Hearing health plays a critical yet often overlooked role in the overall cognitive well-being of individuals, especially as they age. The link between untreated hearing loss and an increased risk of dementia has been well established through numerous studies, underscoring the importance of maintaining auditory health as a means of preserving brain function. When hearing loss goes untreated, the brain undergoes significant changes in how it processes sound and manages cognitive resources. The auditory cortex, the part of the brain responsible for processing sound, receives reduced stimulation due to the diminished ability to hear. This reduction in auditory input can lead to a decline in the brain's ability to interpret and make sense of sound, causing the auditory cortex to weaken over time. Additionally, the brain may divert cognitive resources from other areas, such as memory and problem-solving, to compensate for the effort required to understand speech in the presence of hearing loss. This constant strain can accelerate cognitive decline and increase the risk of dementia. Moreover, hearing loss often leads to social isolation, which is another significant risk factor for dementia. When individuals struggle to hear, they may avoid social interactions out of frustration or embarrassment, leading to reduced engagement with others. Social isolation deprives the brain of the stimulation it needs to stay active and healthy, further exacerbating the risk of cognitive decline. The combination of a less stimulated auditory cortex and decreased social interaction creates a fertile ground for dementia to take hold. Using hearing aids is one of the most effective strategies to mitigate these risks. Hearing aids work by amplifying sounds, making it easier for individuals to hear and process auditory information. By restoring access to a fuller range of sounds, hearing aids help re-engage the auditory cortex, allowing it to remain active and healthy. This increased auditory stimulation can slow the weakening of neural connections in the auditory cortex, preserving its function and reducing the cognitive strain associated with hearing loss. Number 5. Healthy diet. One of the most crucial elements for brain health is omega-3 fatty acids, which are primarily found in fatty fish such as salmon, mackerel, and sardines. These healthy fats are integral to the structure of brain cells and help to reduce inflammation. Omega-3s also promote better communication between neurons, which is essential for maintaining cognitive functions like memory and learning. Antioxidants are another vital component of a brain-healthy diet. Foods rich in antioxidants, such as berries, dark chocolate, and green tea, protect the brain from oxidative stress, a process that can damage cells and accelerate aging. Berries, in particular, are known for their high levels of flavonoids, which have been shown to enhance memory and cognitive function. Including a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables in your diet ensures that you receive a wide range of antioxidants, each offering different protective benefits. Whole grains, like oats, brown rice, and quinoa, provide the brain with a steady supply of glucose, which is its primary energy source. Unlike refined grains, whole grains release glucose slowly into the bloodstream, preventing blood sugar spikes that can impair cognitive function. Additionally, whole grains are rich in fiber, which supports heart health. A healthy heart ensures efficient blood flow to the brain, which is crucial for maintaining cognitive abilities. Leafy greens such as spinach, kale, and collard greens are packed with vitamins like K, E, and folate, all of which are associated with reduced cognitive decline. These nutrients support various aspects of brain health, including protecting against memory loss and enhancing mental sharpness. Similarly, nuts and seeds are excellent sources of vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect brain cells from damage. Walnuts, in particular, are rich in both omega-3 fatty acids and polyphenols, making them a top choice for brain health. Another potent food for brain health is turmeric, a spice widely recognized for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, has been shown to cross the blood-brain barrier, where it can help to improve memory and stimulate the growth of new brain cells. Number 6. Regular exercise. Exercise stimulates the production of a protein known as brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, which plays a critical role in brain health. BDNF acts like a fertilizer for the brain, nourishing neurons and promoting the growth of new brain cells. This process, known as neurogenesis, is particularly important in the hippocampus, a region of the brain that is essential for memory and learning. In people with dementia, the hippocampus often shrinks, leading to memory loss and cognitive decline. By boosting levels of BDNF, regular exercise can help to maintain the size and function of the hippocampus, slowing down or even reversing the progression of dementia. Moreover, exercise enhances blood flow to the brain, which is vital for maintaining cognitive health. The brain relies on a steady supply of oxygen and nutrients delivered through the bloodstream. Physical activity increases heart rate and circulation, ensuring that the brain receives more oxygen-rich blood. This enhanced blood flow supports the health of existing brain cells and helps to clear out toxins and waste products that can accumulate and contribute to cognitive decline. Over time, the improved circulation that comes with regular exercise can help to preserve brain function and reduce the risk of developing dementia. Inflammation is another factor that can negatively impact brain health and contribute to the development of dementia. Chronic inflammation in the brain can damage neurons and interfere with communication between brain cells. Exercise has powerful anti-inflammatory effects, helping to reduce inflammation throughout the body, including in the brain. By keeping inflammation in check, regular physical activity can protect the brain from the harmful effects of chronic inflammation and support cognitive function. Number 7. Stop smoking. One of the primary ways smoking harms the brain is through its negative impact on blood vessels. Smoking causes blood vessels to constrict and become less flexible, reducing blood flow to the brain. This restricted blood flow limits the amount of oxygen and essential nutrients that reach brain cells, leading to their gradual deterioration over time. This vascular damage is a significant risk factor for vascular dementia, a type of cognitive decline caused by impaired blood flow to the brain. When you quit smoking, the body begins to repair the blood vessels, gradually improving circulation and restoring more normal blood flow to the brain. As a result, brain cells receive more of the oxygen and nutrients they need to function properly, which can help preserve cognitive function and memory. Additionally, smoking exacerbates oxidative stress, a condition where harmful free radicals accumulate and damage cells throughout the body, including in the brain. The brain is particularly vulnerable to oxidative stress because of its high oxygen consumption and lipid-rich environment. This oxidative damage can lead to the breakdown of brain cells and the formation of abnormal proteins, such as beta-amyloid plaques, which are associated with Alzheimer's disease. By quitting smoking, you reduce the influx of these damaging free radicals, allowing the brain to begin repairing itself and reducing the accumulation of toxic proteins that contribute to dementia. Inflammation is another critical factor in the relationship between smoking and dementia. Chronic smoking leads to a heightened inflammatory response in the brain, which can damage neurons and disrupt communication between brain cells. This inflammation is closely linked to cognitive decline and the development of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. When you stop smoking, the levels of inflammation in the body and brain begin to decrease, which can slow down or even reverse some of the damage caused by chronic inflammation. This reduction in inflammation supports better brain function and can lead to improvements in memory and cognitive abilities. Moreover, smoking is known to increase the risk of conditions such as high blood pressure, diabetes, and stroke, all of which are major risk factors for dementia. These conditions can further damage the blood vessels and brain tissue, compounding the cognitive decline associated with smoking. By quitting smoking, you lower your risk of developing these conditions, which in turn reduces the likelihood of experiencing further cognitive decline. Over time, the brain can begin to recover from the damage caused by smoking, leading to potential improvements in memory and other cognitive functions. You can also check out my other video that talks about the best vitamin to reduce swelling in feet and legs. We want to hear from you. Share your experiences below in the comments below and turn on the notification bell.